Welcome to Tiny Paw Press. In this video, you will color this lesson inside this free coloring book, which you can download from tinypawpress.com. So get your crayons and let's get started. Follow the crayon names here. Remember to visit our website and download a free coloring book today. If you enjoyed this lesson, check out our other books, with many more amazing videos. That looks amazing. Collect these 4 books in this series. Buy them now on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.